Welcome back, guys. Recently on my music channel, I did Break Every Chain, and I wanted to do a quick piano tutorial to show you how to play it. So this song is easy. It's only 4 chords that repeat, and we're going to do this in the key of C. So we're going to do A minor, F, C, G. And this song is easy. If we look at the numbers, it's 6 minor, because in the key of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is our 6. 6 minor. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 6 minor, 4, 1, 5. A minor, F, C, G. I'm just doing octaves here. So I'm actually, if I'm doing this little pattern, which I like to do sometimes, like I'm doing the C over the A, which makes the A minor. A in the right hand, F in the left hand, that's still a 3rd part harmony. E over C, B over G. So I'm kind of doing this 3rd part where I'm going. But I'm doing one in one hand and one in the other. Now this right here that I just did there is like a pattern where I'm taking the chord and I'm adding the 2 because it just sounds better in there, and I'm doing that in 2nd inversion. This one's in root. That's one pattern, and you got others you can do. I'm just going out, in, out. Outside, in, outside. Outside, in, outside, in, out. Outside, in, outside, inside, outside, outside, inside, outside. That's what the left hand's doing. And I'm following that pattern at 6 minor, 4, 1, 5. A lot of things you can do. You can do a rolling 10th like this. So you're doing the 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. And over here you're doing the 1, 5, 8, 9, 10 flat because it's a minor. So that, yeah, that's what it's 10 flat. 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. And the C chord is whatever chord you're doing. The only one's different is the minor. Instead of doing this, because that's the minor, it would be a major, and that'd be the actual 10th of the A scale, but we're doing a minor. So that's another pattern you do. And then when you get to the bridge part, I hear those chains falling. 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 So you can drive that part and just bring a lot more character to it by driving it and putting more dynamics to it. But that's basically the whole song. You can do that in any key. So let's say you want to go to E flat. So the 6th minor would be C minor. A flat is the 4. E flat is the 1. B flat is the 5. That's how you can basically take that pattern, the number pattern, and put it in a different key so you can do it. So you're not just always playing things in C and then using your transpose functions to raise or lower the key to whatever you can sing it in. So anyway, that's that. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and keep on watching, keep on growing, and God bless.